Deep in Indonesia's rainforest, a remarkable civilization thrives. These leafcutter ants have perfected teamwork over millions of years. Above them, living jewels navigate the cathedral of light, each species playing its vital role in pollination. Masters of disguise wait motionless. This praying mantis embodies patience, perfectly adapted to ambush unsuspecting prey. When titans clash, the forest witnesses ancient battles. These stag beetles fight for the right to continue their lineage. Nature's architects weave silk stronger than steel.